Ito yung ini-slow flow. Ayun yung gusto ko. Pwede sabi. Yung nasa dulo. Likod.
Ano? Yung cream?
That's that. Hindi, Mike. Yung flip.
Wow.
Ngayon lang siya Hindi, nakasara yan kapag...
Ano makukuha mo?
Wala lang. Sumpa.
Bebe. Hi.
What is the shoe color?
Black.
Black? Oh, this one.
Yeah. Can you see?
Ito yung ano, dito ka nagda-drive.
I think so. Yeah.
Hi. Baka nakapunta na sila dito.
Hindi, dito sila nakapunta dito.
Natin.
Your left side, ma'am. Sorry, right side. This is the Steveston Tram.
Okay.
And you can see the old parts of the train by just looking at it.
Okay, can you try it? Is it working?
No, if you want to try it, I can. Oh, ito. Ano to? Dito na tayo. Oh, here, check out. So if you want memories, old photos of the Steveston Tram, you can use this photo album to scan through the history of Steveston.
Okay.
So based on the materials that was used during period 1500s. Yeah, what's your question, ma'am?
What's this?
Oh, this is the fabric that was used for seat. So this is just the seat. Sorry, roof. 1220s roof. Not bus inside the brake.
Oh, how long have you been working here?
So I've been here like 20 years.
20 years? You're 20 years old?
So since the day I was born, I was already doing this kind of job.
So are you the breadwinner?
No, I'm just the tuna breadwinner.
Tuna bread.
We preserve them, and then you can see these are the seat springs. These
Oh.
seat springs, the team built special molds to. We are here now. Marami na yung Steveston Tram.
Noong tao, no? May malis na sila.
At least nabutan na.
These donuts, did everybody get a donut? They went pretty quickly.
Over there.
So he's that.
Say hi.
Hindi nila inanto, no? Pinapas silang lahat.
Hindi.
Picture tayo ulit kasi
Hindi ka nakita, madilim ka.